Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat notifications not working on an iPhone. It's actually a very simple tutorial, so if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. So, the first way is obviously going on Snapchat, clicking on your profile photo at the top left corner, from there going on settings, going to notifications right here and making sure they're on. This is the easiest way. If that's doesn't help, you can go over to your settings, go down to notifications, search for Snapchat. Should be S here. It is, and you want to make sure allow notifications is on. But this is basically all you can do currently. If you're still having this issue, you can also go back to your settings, search for Snapchat here, and make sure you also enable them. Oops, here they are. Notifications, you want to make sure they're allowed. So that should be it. If this doesn't help, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you out. Make sure you also give this video a like, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.